Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm here to do my savings challenges today, and it's all about rolling the dice today. I've got the 100 envelopes, the big roll the dice, small roll the dice, the mini green challenge, and also the roll and strike. So let's begin. I will count. £140 should be here. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 15, 25, 35, 40. Great. So that's me set up, and what I want to start with is my 100 envelope box today. I would like to roll the dice for that, and I think I'm gonna roll the red. So that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's £20. I think I've got 10, 15 and 20s. I might have 5s as well, but I haven't come across any 5s as yet. That's great. So that's 20. And shall I roll again? Why not? Let's do it. 12. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's £10. Great. There we go. And I'm happy with that. That will go at the back here where I have divided it. That's great. So that's done for another 2 weeks. Yeah, it's 2 weeks because I do alternate weeks. And now we have the big roll the dice, and I'll use blue for that. So let's go. Let's push that back a bit. So that's 4 and 2, that's 6. I always think I'm prepared and I'm never prepared. That's 4 and 2. That's 6. Let's have a look if we put in 2s. Here's a 2. Right, so that's 6. And then let's roll again. That's 4. That's should we do 2 2s? Let's do a 4. Yeah, why not? Because we've got quite a few 4s. Right, so that was £10, wasn't it? Yep. It was 6 first, 4 and 2, and then now a 4. That's great. Yep, so that's done. And that's big roll the dice. And we're on to the mini roll the dice, and I will do 2 purples. Wow, that's 5 and 3, that's 8. Oh, terrible I am. 5 and 3, that's 8, and I'm going to put £10 in today because I'm not playing anymore with this one, and this one 3, so 5 and 3, that's 8, and £10 it will get. And then the mini green challenge, I'll just put that to one side and get out. Here we go now. Oh dear, I'm terrible. Here is my pencils. And got right. So I will do green for that one. Let's go. That's 6 and 3, that's 9. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's £1. Okay, so let's mark that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, that's £1. Let's just put that there so I know. That's 2 and 3 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's £2. So that's 3 so far. £3. That's 6 and 2. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's £1. So that makes that £4. That's 3, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's better. So that's 10 and 4 is 14, and we'll put 15 in. That's better. Much better. And this mini savings is from Frugality is Life. I believe she still has it on her Etsy website, so if you want to have a look. And then we've got Roll and Strike. And Roll and Strike, is that Sam's budgeting world? Oh, I always forget, but I'm going to link the ladies down in the description anyway. So what color shall I do for let's do white one, no, black. And it's roll 1 die, strike out the number rolled, play until you can't strike out anymore, and color the remaining box and save that amount. Then move to the next box. All right, might play it twice today if it's going to be kind to me. Oh dear. Let's try this green. 6. That's good. Good start. 4. Thank you very much. 6. I'm out. I am out. That's 5, 8, 10, 11 pounds. £11. Should I do it again? Yeah, let's do it again. Let me get the red. Let's strike that out. That's 11, right? Okay, let's just do 11 here so I don't forget, because my brain, ooh, not good. Let's move on. That's 2. Are you kidding me? Are you for real? I'm done. I'm done. So that's 11, 12, 16, 19 pounds. That's 19 pounds. Right, so what did I say? 11 and 19. That's 20, 30. That's 30 pounds. Yep, 30 pounds exactly. Okay. That's okay, that's not too bad. And I am grateful because I have got a few pounds left over for rollover, and that's good for me because I can add it to my Save 2024 in 2024 challenge, or I can add it to my sinking fund. So I've got a choice there, and that is very, very good. So let's see what we've got left here. I'll just put that aside, and I now have 10, 25, 35, 45 pounds for sinking fund or Save 2024 in 2024. I'm so grateful. I am grateful, even though I wouldn't have minded if all of it had gone to the savings challenges. That's what it's all about, but it didn't, and I'm grateful. Anyway, if you did like this video, I'd like to say thank you for coming over and watching it, and if you don't mind, would you give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back real soon. Bye for now.